Tulad dito sa atin, sa government natin, we're entering na yung digitalization. Mostly, like yung mga pagkuha mo ng mga NBI, yung mga IDs, usually through apps na lang eh. Parang sa eGov, could fill it up na lang, hindi ka na pipila. Meron ng ganon, di ba? So, yung bang ganon, project yun ng DICT yan sa government?
Yes po. Actually, that's a project of DICT led by Secretary Ivan John Uy and Undersecretary David Almirol Jr. Napakaganda itong topic na to because, our goal talaga sa DICT is to bring the services of the government at the comforts of your home. Marami kasing nagpa-process ng, there's even a study that it will take you about 3 days process government
IDs,
government IDs,
government
yes.
papers, kung ano man.
PhilHealth, SSS,
Yes.
if you're new to your job.
Administrative work.
So
Parang
can you
ganon.
just imagine, no? If a person is earning 500 pesos a day, tapos he'll lose
Tatlong araw ka absent.
tatlong araw. That's 1,500. Pwede mo na ibili ng gatas para sa baby mo or so on and so forth. So ang ginagawa ni DICT ngayon is to streamline all these systems para at least usable siya at saka safe and at the same time it's easy to transact with the government. So andyan po yung eGov app natin. Yung eGov app natin is the one-stop shop. Alam
Yes.
niyo ba na sino bang may national ID na dito? Actually, when you download the eGov app today, your digital national ID is already there. Once ma-validate yung eGov app mo na application, your digital national ID, if nakuhaan ka ng PhilSys, ng biometrics, yung nakapag-register ka, right now, they have the choice whether they download it or not. Pero it's more convenient if they download kasi yung eGov app natin houses your national ID already and may mga plans tayo na isama na din yung LTO. Lalo
Yan.
yung LTO.
Oy.
Mas naiiwanan mo yung pitaka mo kaysa sa
Grabe.
phone mo, di ba?